First of all, you have to open your web browser and you have to type in www.canva.com. You will be able to find the Canva site as the first link. Click on it and you will be able to see a page like this. Canva requires you to sign in. You can sign in using your Facebook or your Gmail account. The sign up is free. However, you can also purchase a paid version. If you look at the top right corner, you will be able to see the login option. You can click on the login and you can log into Canva. Once you log in, you will be able to see your own account. On the top, there is a search bar. From the search bar, you can search for different templates. For this particular lesson, we are going to talk about Instagram marketing posters. I'm going to search for Instagram marketing posters. Once I click, I will be able to find many designs here. Now it is up to you which one you want to select and edit. I'm going to choose one which is unpaid. Okay, maybe I will choose this one. Once I click on it, I will get the option of customized this template and the poster is going to open in a larger size. Canva gives you a lot of tools to experiment with. If you see on the left corner, you will be able to see an option design. If you click at design, you will be able to see many templates. You can either choose a blank one and add more and more things onto it, or you can find a template that is already made and you can edit it. For this particular demo, I'm going to use a blank poster and I will be adding things on it. If you look in the elements, you will be able to find many things. You can find frames, logos, shapes, anything that you want to search for. You can type it in the search elements and you will be able to find many options. For example, for this one, I'm going to write dotted line. I'm going to click at dotted line. You will see many options. You can choose from this. I'm going to select a very basic one. Once I click, it is going to appear on my marketing proposal. I can adjust the size and also the place where I want to place it. The next thing I want to add is the text. So I will click the button below the elements which says text. You will be given the option to choose the size. For now, I'm going to choose heading and I'm going to write Eagle Houses. I'm going to make it all in capital letters. You can also change the font and font size by clicking and selecting the whole text. If you see at the top, you will be able to see a lot of fonts. You can choose any one that you like. After selecting the font, you can also adjust the size. I'm going to make it a little smaller than it already is. And then by using my mouse, I'm going to take it to the top of the marketing poster. According to the title, I'm also going to adjust the size of the dotted line that I took before. And I'm going to do the adjustment. Now that I'm done with the title, I will be adding more things into it. If you see the buttons below text, there is one brand. I'm going to skip the brand one because it is for pro users. We are going to go to the uploads. I have already uploaded a picture here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to drag it and bring it to my poster. You have the option of resizing your image. I'm going to resize it, put it at the appropriate place, expand it a little. I'm also going to add a little bit more text on this. I'm going to add a subheading kind of a text now. I'm just going to add two things right now. Contact information. And in contact information, I will be adding a supposed phone number. And also any email. I think that the font is a bit too large, so I'm going to decrease it a little bit. And maybe we can also change the font and convert it into something that is more highlighted. something like this. And now I'm going to put this box at the end. The borders that you see on the page can also be changed. You can either delete them or you can edit them. If you want the same thing to be repeated in your poster, you can click on it, click on these three dots, and you will be able to see duplicate option. You can press duplicate and you will have another similar thing with you. I've taken this duplicated flower and I've fixed it on the left top corner. Depending on your preference, you can edit it as much as you can. This is the most simplest poster that I could come up with right now, and I have designed it for you. I have shown you all the different options that are available in Canva, and you can easily use them to create your own marketing proposals. If you want to view it in a larger size, you can click at the right bottom the option of full screen. If you press it, you will be able to see your poster in a larger size. Now, in order to save the poster, you will go to the top right corner where you see the button of share. When you press the button share, you will be able to see the options of download, public view link, Instagram, all these. If you want, you can directly post it on Instagram or you can download it first. When you press download, you will be able to select options and you can choose which form you want to save it in. I'm going to stick with PNG and I will press on download and save it on my computer. This is the simplest poster that we have created now. You can use all of these tools and you can create very engaging and interactive Instagram posters. I wish you best of luck in designing your posters.